Hello everyone. Good morning. Jai Shri Krishna. So my name is Dr. Akshita here and I come from a priestly family. I belong to Sri Jagdish Temple which is based in Bhilwara and in Udaipur in a Rajasthan state. So if anyone wants to invest in this project, the Sterling Hill, you can contact me and you can send your message on my email ID. So today's topic is World Organ Donation Day. Okay, so every year on the 13th August is observed as a World Organ Donation Day. So please today come ahead and take part in saving the lives of others. Please donate your organ. This day that aims to spread the awareness about the significance of organ donation. The organ donation has the ability to save the lives of others and improve the well-being and throughout the society. So today's theme is a be the reason for the someone's smile today. So let us understand what is the significance of the donation, organ donation. So it saves the lives of others, it improves the quality of life, it focusing on the organ shortage, it promotes the medical advancement, it caters the generosity and empathy, it develops the social responsibility and ethical consideration as well. It reduces the healthcare cost and a global impact on the people around boundaries, and it also give comforts grieving family. Now, why organ donation? So, a single individual or a single person can save up to 8 lives if he or she donates their organs. So, you can donate as a cadaver, non living, or so as a cadaver, non living, after your death. You can take a pledge to donate your body before, uh, like, you can understand. Okay, so you can give your kidney, you can give your liver, lungs, heart, pancreas, intestine, hands, and skin also. Okay, so skin is used as a allografting in the some patients. So please share your life, share your decision, or there is a there is a life after the death, and you can take a pledge to donate your body organs. So as a cadaver after your death, you can donate all these organs. But before that, you have to take a place and you have to register yourself as a donor. And as a living donor, you can give one kidney to your closest kin, and second, one lung, a part of the liver, a part of the pancreas, and a part of the intestine. And for eyes, you can donate your cornea. Okay. And you can also donate the blood, stem cells called bone marrow. And the tissue donation, that is a cornea, skin, middle ear, heart was, bone, veins, cartilage, tendons, and the ligaments. Okay. So, a maximum of 6 times per year for a whole blood donations, and a healthy individual can donate the platelets up to the 24 times per year. So, you can understand you should give uh, your blood in every 2 months. So, you can donate 6 times per year. Okay, in a 2 months, and you can donate your platelets. And if we talk about the platelets, you can donate your platelets up to the 24 times per year. That means 2 times in every month. Okay, so in every 15 days, you should donate your platelets. And any person about 18 years, he can become a liver or the bacterial infection that can cause the sickness in the bloodstream or the body tissues. Okay, let's talk about the history of World Organ Donation Day. So the first successful kidney transplant occurred in 1954 when the Ronald Lee Herrick donated a kidney to his identical twin brother, and a procedure performed by Dr. Joseph Murray. So agenda is that India celebrated National Organ Donation Day on the 27th November that it was started in the 2010 under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare by the organization NOTO. All pledges made are registered under this organizations, and in 2023 and all the pledges made are registered under this organizations. But in 2023, the observance was shifted to 3rd August to commemorate the anniversary of the India's first successful deceased donor heart transplant. Okay, and also the Indian Parliament passed an act in 1995 that banning the payment for the organ donation. So be careful about that, and you can visit the website online platform here. I have mentioned the link. Okay, so you will receive a donor card with a unique government registration number when you visit this or fill out the online pledge form. Secondly, you have to do the national registration with the NOTO, and family consent is also necessary. Okay, so family consultation is also necessary when you are registering as an organ donor. Okay, so it is very crucial to discuss your wishes to donate with your family. In India, the next of kin holds the authority to decide an organ donation after your passing, even if you have pledged your organs. So by taking all these steps, ensuring that your family is informed about your decision to donate your organs, so you can play a very crucial role in saving the lives through organ donation in India. So we have a team of the 500 plus doctors and TSHs and many happy patients, and we are accepting the shareholders 120. And for a better healthcare experience, please invest in this project. And thank you so much for watching this video. We'll come in the next session with new topic.